How to fix Marvel Rivals keeps crashing and freezing on Windows PC. Step 1. Restart and check connection. Restart your PC and wait 5 minutes before launching the game. Use Ookla speed test. A minimum of 10 megabits per second is required for stable gameplay. Step 2. Verify game files. In Steam, right-click Marvel Rivals and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 3. Check system requirements. Press Win+X, select Device Manager, and check display adapters. Use Google to compare your specs with the Marvel Rivals minimum requirements. Press Win+I, go to System, and click About to check your RAM and processor. Press Win+R, type WinVer, and press Enter to check your Windows version. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. NVIDIA users, visit the NVIDIA driver download page, click Auto Detect GPU, and follow the installation steps. Restart your PC after installation. Intel users, open the Intel Download Center, run the automatic update tool, and follow the prompts. Restart your PC after installation. By following these steps, your game should run smoothly. Thanks for watching this video.